Let's plant our spring bulbs for beautiful blooms in the garden in springtime. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in today's video we're going to be planting our spring bulbs ready for next year to attract the bees down to the plot so that we get some beautiful flowers, some colour, because there's not much colour around in the springtime. So we want as much colour down here as possible to attract the bees, to help with pollination, because that's when all the fruit trees start blossoming, and the more bees you get to the plot, the better the harvests will be. So yeah, we want to attract as many bees as possible, and I love the bees. They do the jobs what we don't want to do, pollinate all the plants, and yeah, the more the bees help, the better produce we get down at the plot. So what are we going to be planting today down at the plot? Well, we've created some new areas down at the plot, some new beds. We're going to be filling these with spring bulbs, and in the summertime we'll have summer flowers in them, but come springtime I want them to look great and full of flowers. So we've got a big haul of spring bulbs to plant today. We're not going to be planting tulips, we're going to plant them at the end of the month, at the end of October, beginning of November, because they can get tulip fire. So we don't want to risk that, because we want some beautiful tulips down here as well. So today we're going to be planting our daffodils, crocuses, some hyacinths and some daffodils. So yeah, we're going to be planting some of those and hopefully get them all in the ground today. So these are what we're going to be planting. We're going to be planting some nice orange crocuses, orange mono. They look gorgeous, them ones. We've got some mixed coloured ones, 45 in a bag of these. We've got some muscari, which is absolutely gorgeous, and we've got some small theyorkshire daffodils, because these are the beds, so I don't want huge daffodils engulfing them. I just want nice small little daffodils which will look nice in these little beds that we've got here, with all the pansies what we've got to add some nice colour at the moment. So yeah, I need to fix that bed, that one's fallen down. But yeah, we're going to get these in the ground, well positioned first, see where we're going to put them all, and then we'll plant them all. So yeah, let's get these crocuses, muscari and theyorkshire lined up. We have placed all the bulbs in these beds. We just need to dig them all in now. We've got hyacinths, we've got crocuses, we've got muscari, we've got daffodils. We've got the tall daffodils in the beds at the back, because they'll be all right in them ones. But we've got the theyorkshire ones in these beds at the front, so they don't overpower everything. But yeah, this is going to look absolutely phenomenal in springtime once all the colours out. Hopefully the squirrels don't pinch all the bulbs. But yeah, now let's get them all into the ground. So they're all now planted in these beds. All the spring bulbs are covered over, and hopefully come springtime this area is going to look absolutely phenomenal with these new arches. The bird feeders are up, we've got the climbing plants climbing up them, we've got the roses, the climbing roses. So next year this area is going to look so good. I'm so pleased that I've done this area up. We've got the bird bath out as well. But yeah, it's a well worth investment to my plot. So make sure you come back next year to see how well the spring bulbs are doing down on the plot. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with how well everything else is doing down here. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.